Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to explain about the prismatic compass and how the prismatic compass looks like. So first I am showing the figure of the prismatic compass. So here we can see the figure of the prismatic compass. So in the first figure we can see the graduations of the prismatic compass. We can see all the direction, that is north, south, east and west, and here we will having the prism. Okay, and this line is known as a line of sight. In the figure B also we can able to see what is the angle required. This angle north south direction we can see in the figure 2, and we can also see the line of sight. So you have already seen the figure of the prismatic compass. Now I am going to explain about the prismatic compass. So the prismatic compass is most convenient and portable form of magnetic compass. So the prismatic compass, how it's look like, same as the magnetic compass. How the magnetic compass look like, in the same way the prismatic compass is also there. So the prismatic compass can be used as a hand instrument or can be fitted upon the tripod. So how can we use the prismatic compass? We can use the prismatic compass by hand, means catching the prismatic compass in the hand. By taking the readings we can do it by hand, or we can fix the prismatic compass, or we can do by fixing the prismatic compass on the tripod. By fixing the prismatic compass on the tripod also we can take the readings. So these two methods are used for taking the readings from the prismatic compass. So in prismatic compass the magnetic needle is attached to a circular ring. It is made up of aluminium. So in prismatic compass what we can see, we can observe a magnetic needle inside the prismatic compass. This magnetic needle will be attached to the circular ring. So outside we are having the circular ring. So this magnetic needle will be attached to the circular ring, and the circular ring is made up of aluminium. What is the metal it made up of? It is made up of aluminium metal. Okay, so when the needle is on the pivot, it will orient itself in the magnetic meridian, and therefore the north and south end of the ring will be in this direction. So whenever the needle is in the pivot, then there will be some orientation. Magnetic needle will get deflected, and we can see the north and south directions on the either side of the ring. So suppose we are considering it as a ring, we can see the north direction and south directions on the either side of the ring. The line of sight is defined by the object where and eyesight both attached to the compass box. How can we define the line of sight? What is meant by line of sight? When we are observing from the prism, when we are sighting a object from our eye to the position we are sighting the object, that line is known as a line of sight. The object vane consists of vertical hair attached to suitable frame. So in case of the prismatic compass, there is also a object vane is also there in the prismatic compass. This object vane usually consists of the vertical hairs. It is connected to the eye silt. So still the prism will be having both horizontal and vertical faces convex, so that magnified image of the ring graduation is formed. So in case of the prismatic compass, we can see both the horizontal and vertical faces. So in prismatic compass, we can see the horizontal and vertical faces are in convex shape. Why these are provided in the convex shape? So that the magnified image of the ring graduation is observed, so that we can see the magnified image. So for getting the magnified image, here both horizontal faces and vertical faces are in the shape of the convex shape. Okay, next, um, the reading increase in clockwise direction from 0 degree at south end to 90 degree at the west end, and 180 degree at north and 270 degree at east end. In this, how the readings will increase in case of the prismatic compass? The readings increase. How readings increase in prismatic compass? The reading will be increasing in the clockwise direction. The readings are usually increased in the clockwise direction. 0 degree at south end, 90 degree at west end, 180 degree at north end, and 270 degree at east end. So in these ways the readings will get increased in the prismatic compass in the clockwise direction. So what can we discuss the advantages? So next we are going to discuss what are the advantages of prismatic compass. Prismatic compass. So what are the advantages of prismatic compass? The greatest advantage of prismatic compass is that both sighting the object as well as reading circle can be done simultaneously without changing the position of the eye. What is the main advantage in this? In this, sighting of object means sighting the object. and as well as up, obtaining by reading circle. So citing the object and reading circle, these both can be done simultaneously. What is meant by simultaneously? These both the works can be done at a time. So there is no any more time, means there is no any lack, there is no any, it does not take much time for doing experiment by using prismatic compass, because in this sighting as well as reading of circle both are done at the same time. Okay, the circle is read at the reading at which hairline appears to cut the graduated ring. So this is the main advantage of the prismatic compass. So in this video we have learnt about what is prismatic compass and what are the advantages of prismatic compass. In the next video I am going to discuss about the adjustment of the prismatic compass. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share to friends.